告白するときなんという？好きです。愛しています。Which is correct? Let's think. Hey guys! So the next videos I'm gonna talk about Japanese quiz! About Japanese and Japanese culture. I'm gonna talk about questions, choice questions, A or B. これから日本のクイズについて話します。A もしくは B の選択問題です。So let's do it! Question number 1. 告白するときなんという？告白するときなんという？ How do you say for love confession in Japanese? A 好きです。好きです。B 愛しています。愛しています。Which is correct? Let's think. 正解はA です。好きです。For love confession, we normally say 好きです because 愛しています。It is too serious for love confession. 愛しています is a word that married couple, married people say each other. 愛しています。Alright. Question number 2. 物を拾ってもらったとき、すみませんという、いい？悪い？ When someone pick up the thing you dropped off, is it okay to say すみません？ A. Okay, it's okay to say すみません。Excuse me. B. Not good to say すみません excuse me when someone picked up the thing you dropped off. Which? Let's think. 正解は The answer is A. It's okay to say すみません excuse me when someone picked up the thing you dropped off. Because for Japanese, it is kind of polite to say excuse me before thank you. So it's okay. Question number 3. This is about Japanese food. この料理は何ですか？この料理は何ですか？ What is this? What food is this? Option 1 A お好み焼き Option 2 B たこ焼き Which is correct? Let's think. This food is A お好み焼きでした。 This is Osaka soul food. When you're in Osaka, you should eat Okonomiyaki. It's super tasty. Question number 4. 日本の首相は誰ですか？日本の首相は誰ですか？ Who is he? Who is Japanese president? The answer option A. 安倍晋三 B. 石井正文 Which is the Japanese president? Let's think. President is A. 安倍晋三でした。 Next question is ご飯を食べる前に言う言葉は？ご飯を食べる前に言う言葉は？ So Japanese people normally say something before eating. So what is the word? What is the phrase? What is the phrase before eating food? Answer option A. いただきます。 B. ごちそうさまでした。 Which is the word before you eat food? Which? Let's think. The answer is A. いただきます。いただきます。ごちそうさま is the word after you eat. いただきます。Eat. ごちそうさまでした。This is Japanese culture. Next question. 電車に乗るとき。電車に乗るとき。When you take on the train. A. The people who take on first. Or the people who take off first. Which is first? The people who take on or the people who take off? Who is the first on the train? Let's think. The answer is B. 降りる人が優先。降りる人が優先。The people who take off the train first. So keep in mind that when you take on the train, please take priority to the people who take off the train. Especially in Tokyo, the train is always full of people, which is called main densha. So please keep in mind, take priority to the people taking off the train. The next question is about Valentine's Day. The Valentine's Day coming. So the Valentine's Day is changeable between depending on the country. So let's learn about Valentine's Day. 日本のバレンタインはどっち？日本のバレンタインはどっち？ So which is the Japanese Valentine's Day? The answer option is A. On Valentine's Day, male give female a gift. B. On Valentine's Day, female give male a gift or chocolate. Which is the Japanese Valentine's Day? Male give female or female give male? Let's think. The answer is B. On Valentine's Day, in Japan, female give male a gift or some chocolate. This is the Japanese Valentine's Day. I think in America, it is opposite. I mean, in America, on Valentine's Day, male give female a gift, but in Japan, opposite. Wow. Next Valentine's Day related question is バレンタインの時好きでない男性にあげるチョコレートは？バレンタインの時好きでない男性にあげるチョコレートは？ So what is the chocolate that female give to their boys, their co-workers, their male friends, not as a love sign, but as courtesy on Valentine's Day? What is it? The option A. 義理チョコ B. ありがとうチョコ Which is correct? Let's think. The answer is A. 義理チョコ giri choco. So Japanese, in Japan, we have some kind of culture that female gives to the people to always take care of themselves. So we give chocolate to them as a courtesy, as a gratitude, or something like that. Giri choco. The last Valentine related quiz is 男性が女性にチョコのお返しをする3月14日は何の日？男性が女性にチョコのお返しをする3月14日は何の日？ So we had the specific name on 14th in March. So on that day, male give female a return gift about Valentine's Day. So what is the name? The option A is White Day. White Day. The option B is Black Day. Black Day. Which is correct? Let's think. The answer is White Day. White Day. So in Japan on Valentine's Day, as you know, female give male. So we have one more day which is called White Day. On that day, male give female a return gift. That's the culture, that's the Japanese culture. Last quiz! So the last is Japanese food quiz! Alright! この料理は何ですか？この料理は何ですか？ What is this? What food is it? The option A, ramen. Ramen. I know you guys like it. Ramen. B, soba. Soba. It is noodle as well. So, which is correct? Let's think. The answer is この料理はそばです。これはそばです。So this Japanese food is called soba. For me, I prefer soba. This. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching, and how was my Japanese related quiz? I hope you enjoy them, and I couldn't be happier if my quiz makes you feel more motivated about learning Japanese. So, every day happy. Bye bye.